How to create workflows in monday.com for automation. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a workflow for automation in monday.com. If you don't know yet, monday.com is a project management tool that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your tasks, all your details, all your data, and others. So yeah, first you can open your monday.com dashboard like this. This is the dashboard, and then you can head over to the right top right here, and you will find a lot of option here. You can choose this one, a robot icon for autopilot hub. Click this one, and this is my autopilot hub. As you can see, this is my account automation health. Over the last 10 days, 100% of all automation runs in your account succeeded. As you can see, I have only minor automation and it's 100% succeeded. So there's also a usage tab here and also the connection tabs. And if you want to create a workflow, you can just click workflows here. And as you can see, this is the page, and I can have up to 5 workflows. So yeah, maybe if you upgrade an account, upgrade maybe pro account, you can add more. So if you want to add it, you can just click add workflow here, and then you can name it, let's say, uh, auto pilot, maybe like this, and you can choose the privacy for main, private, or shareable. I will just choose mine, and then create. Then it's done. As you can see, this is my automation. So from this one, from the stretch, so from this one, I can, add a trigger and make an automation in monday.com. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.